Making quick-build small scrap wood projects can be incredibly rewarding for both novice and experienced woodworkers. Engaging in these projects offers numerous benefits that extend beyond the mere act of creating something functional or decorative. One of the primary advantages of working with scrap wood is the opportunity to practice and refine woodworking skills without the pressure of a large, time-consuming project. This allows individuals to experiment with different techniques, tools, and materials, leading to a greater understanding of the craft. Additionally, quick-build projects can serve as a fantastic way to boost creativity. When working with limited materials, you are often pushed to think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions. This can result in unique designs that might not have been conceived when working with larger, more expensive materials. The constraints of using scrap wood can actually inspire creativity, allowing you to explore new ideas and styles that you might not have considered otherwise. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of small scrap wood project ideas you can make instantly. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Another significant benefit of quick-build projects is the sense of accomplishment they provide. Completing a project in a short amount of time can be incredibly satisfying. It gives you a tangible result for your efforts, which can be especially fulfilling when you're juggling other responsibilities or commitments. The quick turnaround time allows you to see the fruits of your labor almost immediately, which can be a huge motivator to continue working on more complex projects in the future. Furthermore, these small projects can be an excellent way to use up leftover materials efficiently. Many woodworkers accumulate scrap wood over time, and it often takes up valuable space in the workshop. By creating quick-build projects, you can declutter your workspace and make better use of the materials you already have. This not only makes your workshop more organized, but also reduces waste, aligning with sustainable practices in woodworking. Engaging in quick-build projects can also help foster a sense of community. Many woodworkers enjoy sharing their creations online or with friends and family. Small projects are often more approachable for those who are new to woodworking, making them an excellent way to introduce others to the craft. Whether you're sharing tips, techniques, or simply showing off your latest creation, these projects can spark conversations and connections with like-minded individuals. Moreover, quick-build projects can also serve as excellent gifts. Handmade items carry a personal touch that store-bought goods often lack. Creating something from scrap wood can add sentimental value to a gift, making it more meaningful. Whether it's a small decorative item, a picture frame, or a unique piece of art, the recipient will appreciate the time and effort that went into creating a personalized gift. There's also a therapeutic aspect to woodworking that should not be overlooked. Engaging in hands-on activities can reduce stress and promote mindfulness. The repetitive motions of cutting, sanding, and assembling can serve as a form of meditation, allowing you to focus your thoughts and escape from everyday worries. This therapeutic benefit can be particularly valuable in today's fast-paced world, where many people struggle to find moments of peace and quiet. In addition to the mental benefits, quick-build projects can also enhance your problem-solving skills. Woodworking often requires you to think critically about the materials at hand and how best to utilize them. When working with scrap wood, you may need to find creative ways to join pieces together or repurpose materials for a new use. This encourages a mindset of adaptability and resourcefulness, skills that are applicable in many areas of life beyond woodworking. If you're looking to teach woodworking skills to children or beginners, quick-build projects are ideal. They can be simple enough for a novice to understand, yet challenging enough to keep them engaged. Teaching someone how to work with tools, measure accurately, and follow a plan can instill a sense of pride and ownership in their work. It can also serve as an opportunity to discuss the importance of safety in the workshop, further reinforcing responsible practices in woodworking. Another benefit is the financial aspect. Quick build projects often require minimal investment, especially when using scrap wood. This makes woodworking accessible to a wider audience, allowing more people to discover the joys of crafting. Additionally, the skills learned through these projects can lead to more complex and potentially lucrative woodworking endeavors in the future. The versatility of scrap wood is another significant advantage. With a little creativity, you can transform even the smallest pieces into something beautiful and functional. This flexibility allows for a wide range of projects, from simple birdhouses to intricate wall art. The ability to create something from what might otherwise be considered waste can be incredibly fulfilling, and it encourages a mindset of innovation. Lastly, engaging in small scrapwood projects can also enhance your overall woodworking knowledge. Each project will teach you something new, whether it's a specific technique or a more general understanding of woodworking principles. This continual learning process can be incredibly rewarding and can help you grow as a woodworker. In addition to their aesthetic and emotional benefits, small wooden crafts often encourage sustainable practices in the home. Many individuals are increasingly conscious of their environmental impact and seek to create eco-friendly living spaces. Incorporating wooden decor items aligns with this objective, as wood is a renewable resource when sourced responsibly. By choosing small wooden crafts, homeowners can contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle while enhancing their decor. Furthermore, the durability of wooden items contributes to their practicality in home decor. Unlike many synthetic materials that may wear down or fade over time, well-crafted wooden pieces can withstand the test of time. This longevity reduces the need for frequent replacements, making wood a wise investment for home decor. Homeowners can enjoy the beauty and functionality of their wooden crafts for years to come, creating a sense of continuity and stability in their living spaces. The ability to personalize small wooden crafts is another appealing aspect of their use in home decor. Many artisans offer customization options, allowing individuals to tailor pieces to fit their specific needs and preferences. Personalized decor items can evoke strong emotional connections, as they reflect the homeowner's unique identity and style. This customization adds value to the decor, making it more meaningful and cherished. Additionally, small wooden crafts provide opportunities for collaboration and gifting. Many artisans create unique pieces that can serve as thoughtful gifts for friends and family. These handcrafted items carry a sense of care and consideration, making them ideal for special occasions. Giving or receiving a small wooden craft can strengthen relationships and create lasting memories, enhancing the emotional significance of the decor. In conclusion, the benefits of making quick-build small scrapwood projects are numerous and varied. From skill development and creative expression to community engagement and stress relief, these projects offer something for everyone. They allow woodworkers to make the most of their materials while enjoying the process of creation. Whether you're looking to refine your skills, create meaningful gifts, or simply find a therapeutic outlet, quick-build projects can provide a fulfilling and enriching experience in the world of woodworking. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked small scrap wood project ideas you can make instantly. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.